Here they've given me a new job, and my new job is to find the greatest common factor of the two numbers given. And I have 76 and 88. There are two ways to do this. We can make a list of all the factors and find the biggest factor in each row, or the faster way is to use the prime factorization method. So we're going to use the faster way today. And I got to start out by finding factors of the number. All right, 76 is an even number. It'll divide by 2. And when I pop that into my calculator, I get 38. 38 is an even number, and I know 4 and 6 do not go into it. So again, I'm going back to my 2, and I get 19. And there I'm done. I have 2 times 2 times 19. All right, so let's tackle the 88. Well, 8 will go into this number 11 times. 11 is prime, so I'm just going to leave that alone. We are going to break the 8 into 2 and 4. And the 4 into 2 times 2. So I have 2 times 2 times 2, or 2 to the third, times 11. And in my other, I have 2 times 2 times 19. And I'll just circle the factors that I have in common. I have that 2 and this 2. I have this 2 and this 2. I have nothing else in common. So I do my 2 times 2, and I arrive at 4 is my greatest common factor between these two numbers. Again, you can watch this video as many times as it takes to understand the process. Remember, there are two ways to do this. You can make a list where you just divide the numbers until you get all the factors, and then you compare the two rows, or you can use this prime factorization method.